The ongoing legal battle surrounding the late industrialist Sanjay Kapoor's will, as his children, Samaira and Kian, have challenged its authenticity. Senior advocate Rajiv Nayyar, representing Sanjay's wife, Priya Kapoor, has made some bold statements in court, calling the challenge bogus and urging the Delhi High Court to dismiss the plea. Nayyar didn't hold back, stating that the children's claims lacked merit, saying, "It's a fit case to turn down the plaint. The claim is bereft of cause, they never challenged the will." He added that Samaira and Kian were fully aware of the will's contents before filing their suit, calling their objections baseless and bogus. He further highlighted that the meeting regarding the will had taken place at the Taj Hotel, emphasizing that the case falls under the jurisdiction of the Delhi High Court. Nayyar raised pointed questions about the plaintiff's allegations, especially the forgery claim. He questioned how the case for forgery could even be established, asking, "How will you set up a case for forgery without having the foundation in the pleadings?" He also addressed the timing of the will's discovery, dismissing it as irrelevant. Is the discovery of the will after 7 weeks a ground to challenge the will? On the opposing side, senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing Karisma Kapoor's children, made strong arguments about the will's inconsistencies. He pointed out glaring errors, including the use of feminine pronouns to describe Sanjay Kapoor in the document, calling it absurd and accusing those presenting the will of having audacity. As the case continues, the Delhi High Court has asked Priya Kapoor to provide a list of Sanjay's assets. Samaira and Kian, claiming their late father's assets are worth 30,000 crore rupees, are seeking a share, despite the assets already being allocated in the family trust. Priya has informed the court that they have already received 1,900 crore rupees from the family trust. With the case still unfolding, it's clear that the legal battle over Sanjay Kapoor's will is far from over. Stay tuned for more updates on this high-profile case.